Hello people, today I make a tutorial for how not sound the socks. How this is when you have socks when your shoes sound when you walk. When you walk sound that's the sound uh, is for the sock. I for solution that problem is put two socks. Use two socks for not sound when you walk while you walking while walking. Okay. First one sock. Second other sock in the same side. Okay. One sorry one and second. And this ready is ready not sound more is ready for walking tranquility in tranquility. It's very good. It's when sound while walking while walk is very it's very bad. It's very bad. Uh, not walk good. Uh, Not work good and not be happy. It's very okay. This is a tutorial your your for might solution this the sound while you walking. It's very good. It's the same. Put socks two socks in other in the other sorry my English is very bad. In the other in Spanish is sitio, en el otro pie. In the in the two sides, put two socks, and it's ready for not sound the while you walking. Here's one. This this is when for example for you want left of the home and not have other solution for 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 the this sound while you walking. It's very good this boat for make. Okay, if you like this video you can subscribe in my channel. Goodbye. You can watch more videos here.